2021 Jeep Renegade. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.